Office life done. Time to unwind. Right? Wrong. My freshly laundered clothes are now a stylish chair decoration. Seriously, this is driving me up the wall. Someone needs to get their act together and put those away. Time for some fresh air before I blow a fuse. Look at those beautiful raspberries, almost ready to burst. But wait, those pesky foxes have been at it again. I'm so ticked off. And these grapes are adorable, right? But this vine is out of control. I'm starting to lose my cool. Oh, and don't even get me started. Back inside, another disaster area. Dirty dishes in the sink. I don't believe it. This is irritating to the max. Why can't they just wash up or rinse and put it in the dishwasher? Grapes. Someone was trying to be helpful. So there you have it. From mildly peeved to utterly enraged, we've covered it all. Let me know your go-to annoyed words in the comments. And remember, variety is the spice of life. Happy learning.